Welcome aboard this journey through the world of cryptocurrencies. Today we will explore the best investment opportunities for 2025. Are you ready to discover which digital coins could bring you great gains in the future? Before diving into our selections, let's take a general look at the cryptocurrency landscape. In recent years, we have witnessed a true explosion in the crypto market, with the emergence of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hundreds of other digital currencies. This revolutionary blockchain-based technology is transforming the way we think about money and financial transactions. Cryptocurrencies offer a new form of secure, decentralized digital asset that is gaining more legitimacy and adoption globally. So what are the key factors that will drive the cryptocurrency market in 2025? First, mainstream adoption. More and more businesses and financial institutions will accept cryptocurrencies as a means of payment, increasing their legitimacy and accessibility for consumers. This will lead to greater acceptance and integration of digital currencies in everyday life. Secondly, technological innovation. We can expect to see significant improvements in terms of scalability, speed, and security of blockchains, allowing crypto applications to become more efficient and accessible. Finally, regulation. Governments around the world are developing regulatory frameworks to govern the crypto ecosystem, providing greater stability and trust for institutional and retail investors. And now, let's come to our main selections for 2025. Based on our in-depth research, here are the cryptocurrencies we consider most promising. Bitcoin, BTC. Despite its maturity, Bitcoin remains the dominant cryptocurrency and should continue to grow as a digital store of value and a safe investment asset. Its mainstream adoption and limited scarcity make it an interesting long-term option. Ethereum, ETH. The Ethereum blockchain is the foundation for numerous decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. Its adoption should accelerate with the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, which will improve the scalability and efficiency of the network, making it more attractive for developers and users. Solana, SOL. Solana is a highly scalable and fast blockchain platform, ideal for decentralized applications. Its growth could be exponential due to the increasing use of DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, rapidly expanding sectors in the crypto ecosystem. Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot is a blockchain interoperability protocol that enables cross-chain communication between different crypto ecosystems. Its ability to facilitate the transfer of data and assets could make it a strategic choice for investors seeking to diversify their portfolio and leverage synergies across multiple blockchains. Chainlink is the leading provider of oracles, which are reliable data feeds that connect smart contracts to the outside world. Its technology is essential for the development of DeFi applications and smart contracts, as it provides the real-time data necessary for the functioning of these systems. Lunk's Terra Luna Classic. After the 2022 collapse, Lunk could represent an investment opportunity for more risk-tolerant investors, but only if the development team is able to rebuild trust in the network and develop a new sustainable model. However, the risk of further crashes is still high. 7. Terra. The new Terra blockchain, launched after the Luncy collapse, could become a force to be reckoned with in 2025, thanks to its advanced technology and the adoption of DeFi applications. The development team is working to rebuild trust in the ecosystem and offer innovative solutions. Remember that investments in cryptocurrencies always carry a certain degree of risk. Before making any transactions, it is important to conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and invest only the capital you are willing to lose. The crypto market is constantly evolving, so stay up to date on future developments. Well, that's all for today. I hope this information has provided you with a good foundation to start exploring the opportunities offered by cryptocurrencies in 2025. Remember to share your feedback and questions in the comments below. Good luck with your crypto investments.